Okay, friends, here's another example of how we can repurpose our fall decor or clearance finds. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I found this sign at Dollar General and I popped the little family sign off, and then I found these cute little pumpkins at Dollar General. They were 90% off, but I'm pretty sure I have some in my stash too. And I just pull off all of the fabric. I did this with 2 stacks, one bigger, one smaller little pumpkin. Then I have this little towel from Dollar Tree, I think. And all I'm doing is I cut it out about-ish the size of the fabric that we had. And I trim it around, I make it into a circle. And now all I'm doing is shoving fabric into the center. And I'm kind of like pleating it for your sewers out there, kind of pleating it around. If you have parts that don't fit or don't go in or are not stable, just glue it. That's why God made hot glue, friends. Come on, it's fine. But this one happened to work just fine. Some of the other ones I didn't, but there it is. So cute little, it still looks pumpkin-ish, but I think it looks more like a snowman. And again, I did that. I did a big one and a small one, and I did that 2 times. Then I had this old sweater, used this before, and I'm just going to rough guesstimate how big around the top little snowman puff is. And I just cut out a rectangle. I am going to put some hot glue on one end. I should have done this before the glue. I know, but I did trim some little fringes all down one side. And I glue the edges, wait for it to dry, and then I flip it inside right. So cute. Then I flip up the edge to make a brim, and then we're going to put it on our cute little snowman head. Look at how cute it is. I tie it with it's just a piece of twine. I trimmed the edges a little bit just because they were a little too long for my liking. And then I'm going to glue that top part to the body part. I also secured the hat onto the head just to make sure it doesn't fall off. And then I took another little strand of the sweater and I tied it around the center to make a scarf. That's what we're doing. And look at, stop it right now. Oh my Lanta. I did put a dot of glue on just to stabilize it as well, but stop. Oh, I think it's so cute. And I did the same process with some flannel. This flannel though, I cut a little bit of a longer tube for it because I wanted it to look more like one of those longer hats with the tassels on the bottom. It's adorable. Either way, no matter how you make it, it's going to be cute. Same process, cut the fringe, tie it. But this time I put a little glue on and I folded it down and attached it to the side of the head. I also made a little scarf, super cute. And now we're going to attach our little snowman to our little sign. Now the sign, I'm going to make the snowman attached and I'm going to tilt them a little bit just because, I want to be able to say together we have. Then the center where I pulled that family sign off, I put a heart from Dollar Tree just because there was a little rip in the paper. And then I attached the family part on and quit it. Just quit it. Like, how cute. Now I made sure to put that family part, it is flush with the rest of it. So that way it doesn't tip, if that makes any sense. Anyways, friends, I hope you enjoyed this and I hope it inspires you. Thank you so much for watching.